Hi, everybody. This is Monica Paolini from Senza Fili, and today we're talking about the Open RAN ecosystem. And I have with me Sidd Chenumolu, the Vice President of Technology Development at DISH. And Sidd, we are all following very eagerly what you're doing with Open RAN at DISH. And can you tell us, is Open RAN working just as well as the traditional RAN in terms of performance, features, and things like that?
Hey, Monica, thanks for having me. And that's a very interesting question. Again, one has to look from the lens of what the performance is, right? Is Open RAN working? Yeah, it's probably at the same level from a conformance point of view. Do we have the same performance that the traditional RANs have today? It's hard to say. In some aspects, yes. In some aspects, obviously, we're evolving. But that's not a function really of the Open RAN. It's a really function of the vendors one has and what IP they have to optimize a solution. So very many times there's a confusion saying that, hey, Open RAN is not the same as traditional RAN. And I find very hard to believe that, because Open RAN is about the interfaces, it's about the specification. It's not about the performance realistically. So obviously it gets conflated into the same statement that it's not at the same level. But my question would be like, why? At what did we use to determine that Open RAN is at the not same performance level as a tradition? What is the benchmark one is using right now? And frankly, there is none. So I would say Open RAN is as performing as a traditional RAN.
Absolutely. Well, thanks a lot. And we don't want to give you any more information because we had, Sid and I had a much longer conversation and really trying to talk about what is the sort of the more subtle parts in terms of, it's not easy just to compare the two. And there is much more to Open RAN than the frontal interface. And we talked about it in much detail, and you can see or read the entire conversation I had with Sid. And you can also read the report on the Open RAN ecosystem at sensafili.com. Thank you.